Hi there, I'm Gert. Have you ever been disappointed over other people? Yes, of course you have. For many years I have been disappointed, angry, etc. over other people's behavior. But the latest years I have been doing a lot of personal development and accepted me as I am. I also found out that being disappointed over other people's behavior is not about them, it's about me. 90% of the time. And it's because you have a set of rules of how other people should behave in order to satisfy you. And that is not the question. You have to accept other people as they are, as they also have to accept you as you are. And of course, it can take a long time, and to that you also have to, of course, the closest friends in your life, your spouse, your family, you have some expectations for them. But one of the issues is, I found out that I haven't told them. So if I'm expecting something and I don't tell them, how can they satisfy my expectations? Very difficult, right? So, what are your expectations for other people? And have you told them? Think about it, and please comment this video, maybe tell your own story. Thank you a lot. Bye.